A lot of people are married with Cousin Zaka in order to have success in their professional life and also in their businesses. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. In this channel we talk about voodoo stuff, and in today's video we are going to talk about the spirit Cousin Zaka, or the way voodooists prefer to say, the Loi Cousin Zaka. He is the spirit of agriculture and trade. And before we go further into the video, as always, I would like to thank all of you, my viewers, my subscribers, who always likes my videos and who always leave comments. This is really helpful, guys, because this helps with the YouTube algorithm, guys. Okay, so if you enjoy my content and you like what I'm doing, this is a way to support me, guys. Okay, like, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave a comment. The comment can be anything, guys, like giving me your opinions, your suggestion, and word of encouragement. So I count on you to do that. Thank you a lot. So let's get right into the video. So Cousin Zaka, Mini Zaka, Azaka Medi, and so on. Someone could argue that they are like the same Loi, okay? But however, a lot of people consider them to be a family of laws, okay? They're like the same energy but with different frequency, and each frequency like is ruling, like it's like a family, and everyone has their job, everyone has their thing that they are taking care of. So it's not wrong to see them as, you know, the same Loi with just different faces of the same Loi, or to see them as a family of Lois, okay? So I'm going to talk about each member of the family so that you can understand them better when you hear talking about them, okay? But as I said before, they are the same energy, okay? So let's start with Mini Zaka first, okay? He is the lord of the peasants, or I should say farmers, okay? So he is the patron of agriculture and trade. To even go further describing him, he is the director of the national economy. He is the first spirit, the first Loi, who transferred the knowledge of the traditional medicine, who is different from the modern medicine and the scientific medicine, to the Haitians' ancestors. And on top of that, you also find him in the education system too. So he is in the field of work, he is in the field of health, and you also find him in the education system too. He is the essence of a country's development, guys. He passed down the knowledge to the voodoo priest, who know Uga and Mambo, on how to use herbs in our own benefits. And if you have a business and you invite Mini Zaka into it, you're guaranteed of success. He often comes in the form of an old man. Now let's talk about Cousin Zaka, okay? Cousin Zaka, he is the patron of poor people, okay? He is a very generous Loi. His counterpart is Cousin Zaka, who is a female energy. She has like this big basket on top of her head, okay, full of food, okay, food from the earth, okay, and she's like sharing with everybody. So if you have this spirit in your house will never miss food. Cousin Zaka's spirit is a very gentle spirit, and he enjoys the most simple things in life. The Zaka family work in hands with the Gedevi. That's why the Gedevi will often come to the ceremony for Cousin Zaka. Cousin Zaka always says in his songs that he doesn't steal. He would rather ask for charity. They often present Zaka, you know, in ragged clothes and modest demeanor. This is a bluff from him. Like, everyone respects, you know, people who have money, people who are beautiful. But how will you treat a poor peasant, you know, with ragged clothes? Zaka hates wood people and stingy. For his altar, you may do like a traditional altar for him, or offerings placed in a Haitian makut sack. You may put in, you know, stuff that you know that he likes that will stay for a very long time. A sealed bottle of rum, pipe tobacco, and a loaf of brown sugar. And after putting these and other stuff that you know that he may like, tie the sack up with a wet bandana. You can put that near his halter, just consider that to be his halter. You can do however you want, and don't ever open it except if you want to add more things into it. And talk to Yolwa, ask him what he wants you to do for him. And then we have Azaka Mede, okay? They say he gave us the knowledge of plowing the earth and also using fertilizers, because he's more about working the earth. And then we have Azaka Anomede, okay? He is all about beauty, about flowers, about the aesthetic part of voodoo, okay? And the national costume, the Carabela, is attributed to him. And then we have Ministonier. He is all about strength, okay? They use him with Zakakrib a lot of time to do evil things. They often use those spirits to deal with thieves, to deal with people who are using money that's not theirs. So those who are very important in the high level of mysticism. They call them policemen. They are without tolerance in disciplining. Zaka works with a staff which symbolizes direction and power. And he also has a dagger which symbolizes justice. Their voodoo ceremony is called Jumba or Champi. Their tissue colors are red, blue, and green. Their offerings is all that is from the earth. Their feast day is May 1st. That happens to be the Labor Day. And their day is Friday. I will show you guys Cousin Zaka Veve on the screen so that you may use to call on him. He is associated with St. Andre and St. Isidore in Catholic. And fun fact is, they are the only Loas in the Radar division of Loas that in the voodoo ceremony, when they are welcoming them, they don't use ason for them. They use a cha-cha, okay? An instrument called cha-cha to greet them. And another fun fact, a lot of people are married with Cousin Zaka in order to have success in their professional life and also in their businesses. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll invite you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. And the most important thing is to click the notification button so that YouTube may notify you whenever I upload a new video. So take care of yourself and see you in another video.
Badesile à moi la haie, on est mes atoués ou à Badesile wa Badesile à moi la haie, on est mes atoués ou à Badesile à moi la haie, on est mes atoués ou à